Hi all, hope you guys are doing well. In this video, let's discuss about the salary, the expectation of a tax analyst or US tax analyst. This is what a professor get into his mind that when the HR round happens for the US tax analyst job openings, okay, they surely ask that what is your salary expectation, how much salary you want us to give, okay. And as a fresher we don't get any idea that how much salary we should tell. Should we say any random salary? Okay, will that work against us because that will be not a standard salary? Okay, how much is the minimum, how much is the maximum which we can say to the recruiter so that they get a fair idea into their mind and they hire us? Okay, if we tell them the lesser salary, they may give us a lesser salary in actual. Okay, if we tell a higher salary expectation, they may reject us because they don't want to pay that much to the freshers. Okay, so in this video let's discuss a clear cut idea about a salary expectation of a fresher for US tax analyst. Before we talk about that, let's discuss about what is the standard salary going on in the market. Okay, let's talk about the big fours. Then in big fours, Deloitte, the boss, is paying you approx 6 to 7 lakhs LPA per annum, okay, for freshers for tax consultant one role, okay. When we talk about KPMG, the second boss, they are paying you around 5 to 6.5 lakhs per annum for the US tax analyst role, okay. When we talk about the third boss, that is PwC, they are paying you around again 5 to 5.5 to 6 lakhs per annum for tax associate one for US tax analyst role. When we talk about the fourth boss, that is EY, then they are paying you approx 4 to 5.5 lakhs per annum for US tax analyst job role. When we talk about big fives, then GT comes into the picture. They are paying you approx 4.25 to 5.75 lakhs per annum as a US tax analyst salary. Okay, this is what is going in the market for the tax analyst role for freshers in India. Okay, for US tax analyst. When we talk about the salary expectation from the company, okay, let's discuss about which is that company. If we are talking about big fours, then I have told you the salary range. You can go ahead and ask for that. But every year salary range changes for the freshers. Okay, so in this situation what we should do? Okay, rather asking me, sir, how much salary, we should ask the HR. We should connect with the fresher level employee of that company. Suppose I am working at Deloitte. Okay, I have joined recently, like 1 month back. Okay, and you get a job opening. Okay, you get a call that you will be discussing salary with the HR. Then you should reach out to me. Okay, and you should ask how much did you get as your salary because you have joined recently. Then I maybe give you the fair idea about the salary standards. Okay, and you can tell them the exactly same salary you want from them. Okay, that will work in the favor of you. Okay, rather telling them the random numbers. Okay, so this is what approach you should follow. You should ask people who has joined recently, okay, at company where you are giving interview for. Then you should give them the idea about the salary which you want. Okay, if you don't get that much time or that much chance, then please remember, if it is big four, then please ask between 4 to 7 lakhs depending upon which big fours you are getting into. Okay, if it is not big four, then you can surely ask like 5 to 7 lakhs per annum for US tax analyst job role for the non big four company for US tax analyst. This is what you should do. Okay, this is what I have done. Okay, and this is what is going on into the market. Hope you got the fair idea, and I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Please share this video with your friends, families. Okay, hit the like button, subscribe the channel if you're not subscribed, and bell icon, turn on the bell icon so that you get a job notification on time. Okay, we see you all the best. Thank you so much guys for keep supporting me, keep watching me. Okay, yes, I know that I am not regular, but yes, in coming time I will be regular. Okay, wish you all the best. Let's meet in the next video.